Okay, so we are on the bus. We are going home from my Paho, walking in POOOP. It is so scary down there. Yeah.
Guys was looking. Guys was looking.
Yes, they were, but they were looking at me.
No, they was. No. They saw me and smiled.
No, the only thing they saw was your yellow teeth. That's why they said.
At me. No, they were shopping at me.
Lola, what you gotta say? What about you guys?
You have board back there?
Party poopers. Yeah, those were the party poopers back there. But yeah, we are going home. It is, what time now?
Oh, I got it. 7:52 girl. 7:52.
7:52. Wow, so dark, yeah, 7:52.
I know.
We are in the back roads. You can't see anything outside. All you see is lights over there, yeah? So ghetto.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.